but now I'm trying to get paid. Was trying to be so fresh to death I needed clinic aid. Dreams of dress my mama like a Louis runway. Dreams of sick kicks like retros in every color made. But now the kick's so sick it's like a roundhouse with AIDS. And the punchline so creative I have you lost like a maze. But when impacts on your ears and you trying to get them zero gauge. Yeah, saying hot dang, now probably some other shit. But I don't say the Lord's name in vain, but I battle just the same. And since my pins are fighting public, I shoot with perfect aim. And I'm about to get the pain. Y'all sick? That's funny. And that cold boy, I just got a fucking nose that's running. Y'all still wet behind the ears, and it shows your actions dummy. Every rhyme y'all got's broke, see I can keep the bummy money. D-Well to the light to the truth, see I can call me fucking Sonny. And it breaks their heart, cause every bar I got's cunning. I used to love hip-hop, but it's breaking my heart. But every time I write, it's breaking their heart. As soon as I grabbed the pen, I came a killer at the start. 100-yard dash with a knife in my hand and sharp. You don't want this race with me, get paraplegic cards. I used to love hip-hop, but it's breaking my heart. Yeah, but every time I write, it's breaking their heart. As soon as I grabbed the pen, I came a killer at the start. Remember back in the day, what my mama used to say, as long as they food on that table, boy, bow your head and pray. It's amazing ramen noodles and soup can bring you a long way. I live below average, but I made it this far, so I give praise. But it's only the God and my mom, and you ain't them, bitch. And most of these rappers remind me of my dad, cause they some bricks. I remember being so pissed, cause my mama was getting hit. I should've went and got my blade and eat that New York jersey and gave some different type of nicks. That's the past, oh well. I'm like a Toyota in the ocean, cause the sea brings shells that turn you wanna be dicks. And it's some pussy ass females that every verse I write sick, they write me get wells. I love this rap shit like orange soda to kill. But most of these rappers shit and I can handle the smell. So that's the type of rap that I can't take part in. Y'all ruining hip hop and it's breaking my heart again. I used to love hip hop, but it's breaking my heart. But every time I write, it's breaking their heart. As soon as I grabbed the pen, I came a killer at the start. 100-yard dash with a knife in my hand and sharp. You don't want this race with me and get paraplegic cards. I used to love hip hop, but it's breaking my heart. But every time I write, it's breaking their heart. As soon as I grabbed the pen, I came a killer at the start. Got punches like Ali, shoot like a young Ray. So you kids get beats like it was Christmas at Dre's. I'm hot with like your favorite porn star, my son raised. But I used to have no food on my plate, but in the gym I had trays. It's funny, that's the only time I balled out. Unless your girl had her mouth open, then I balled out. Now change the topic, cause it's like trying to brawl, trying to get to the rack, so I pop the strap on the Wonder Bra, the Wonder likes a bitch. Came up cities that small, life's an oxymoron like the name Biggie Smalls. Cause life promises the world, then it turns and gives you dead calls. Operator bitchin', bitch suck my balls. But besides that, these rappers out here trying to be some cats. Got that southern flow to flow, I'll put your feet in some cracks. And bitch, I'm not talking jug, I'm talking T-Jagger like rocks. And after that it breaks their heart, cause I'm